Okay, I don't know where I left off at, but I'm showing you that we went to our website. I'm not a millionaire yet, not until we all start mining together, all the coin holders and I and anybody else that's invested in this program will become a millionaire with me. Since I own the gold mine along with my partner Andy Martinez, um, we'll have access to a few $1 billion ourselves. But in the meanwhile, you guys will have multiple millions of dollars depending on how much coins you have in your wallet, all right, and how much you've invested. But this is a link in our website that shows that we have 50 mining claims, and our geological survey certifies this. This is on federal record, and it just shows this is what I would call a plat map. It shows all our areas that we are authorized to mine, that we own on federal land. Okay, this is as real as it gets, people. This is it. Okay, so back to our website. There's been some updates here. Home of the world record setting dollar use of an asset-backed crypto, which is the MiningCo-Gold coin. We used $3.5 million value of that coin to purchase what I just showed you on a plat map. Okay. Also, here we tell specifically where our mine is. I showed you the mining claims map that we own now, that we have the mining rights to. Again, another map that will show the location of the mines. You can change it to a satellite and get a terrain view that it's kind of near the Sierra Mountain range in Nevada, actually. What are you waiting for, people? Be the first to the Gold Rush 2.0. That's a phrase that I coined, the Gold Rush 2.0. Okay, so be part of it. Join now. Here at the very bottom, you're going to see here the purchase agreement that locks us in to owning the mining claims and that the coins that were used to purchase. All right, so the owner of the or the seller, we bought the mining claims for him for an amount of $3.5 million worth of TMCo-Gold coins. He accepted that as currency to make lock us into the purchase of the gold mine. Okay, so that's that first contract. All our initials are on there. There's the seller's initials, my initials, and Andy Martinez's initials. And so this is what, and then here, these are all our official signatures saying that we are making a purchase of the mining claims. This is a purchase agreement dated June 20th. So this is the contract to buy the mining claims, and just spells it out in detail. All these here, the summary points, each mine, remember there's 50 claims, and how many acres per claim. It said additional federal claims at 87. We are going to acquire, in addition to the 50, up to 87 more mining claims when we buy. When we have more money in our pot, we're going to buy private land next to it and continue the mining. So again, all this adds up to $19 billion of gold in the ground, which is an asset, and it makes our coin an asset-based coin, people. Okay, when we get to the fourth phase of mining, which is a big scale volume, it says here that we are going to be mining 400 ounces a day at $680,000 a day, $17 million a month in profit in gold. Okay, and again, the owner is a certified geologist, and so he's the one that certified in these reports these numbers. Okay, so we're in a good thing here. This is probably the best gold mine project in a long time. And this is all the, when we pay out the money, these are the wiring instructions to the bank for the gold mine. Okay, everything is here, people. There is no scam, no underhanded, not revealed to you scenario going on at all. All the contracts are here, the maps, the location. That is most than any other crypto coin will do for you. If you, in my finishing point here, it will be that in the newsletter called goldscape.net, you can look it up. They do gold news under gold-backed cryptocurrency. We're listed in here. We're a part of this group. But I'm telling you, among 40 to 45 other asset-backed gold mining coins or gold asset-based coins, none of them own the gold mine or the gold. I had just put another post on Facebook with pictures and screen clips of some of these coins, and I was amazed that all of them are practically third party. The mining company, we own the mining claims. We therefore own the asset in the ground, $19 billion worth of gold in the desert, buried. We need your help, your investment to get that money out of the ground. Okay, so for a $19 billion cap rate, potential cap rate, that's conservatively speaking, it could be worth more. But not only with that gold mine, we plan on purchasing other gold mines around the world with what? Cryptocurrency, the gold mine coin. Okay, and we already succeeded in buying the poker game mine in Nevada with cryptocurrency. Time to wake up, folks. Stop sleeping on this coin. And you guys are gravitating towards karat gold, OneGram, and here's another one that really gets me: Dinar Dirham. Okay, Dinar Dirham doesn't hold or control gold. Okay, they don't own any of the gold, guys, and yet I see members that are part of Dinar Dirham, and you know, you're losing a lot there. You know, that's all I get to say. Carat Coin, to be a platform to trade gold certificates. Okay, so that's our end game too. That we're gonna use gold certificates to stabilize the value of our coin at $1,000 a certificate. Okay. Also, the Royal Mint, they're a real company in London. Okay, they got a vault though. So their gold is in a vault. It's already been mined and refined. We are talking about taking gold from the ground to the refinery, to the vault, and then putting those certificates in a smart contract and uploading it up to our coin in the blockchain to give the mining company coins $1,000 per coin value. Okay, right now you can buy that coin at under 1 cent, or we have another coin trading at $1, and then we have another coin called the IOU coin trading at $12 right now. But that coin is going to be the $1,000 gold medal seal coin that we're going to launch those certificates on. The mining company, we're right here. The mining company is a mining company in Nevada. Hey, I'm not making that up. That's what it says. They are raising funds. I don't see the funds coming in, but that's what we're doing. We're raising funds for a gold mine via the ICO, which are the coins. The mining company coins or tokens are backed by what? The gold mine, not gold in the vault. We haven't gotten there yet. I need almost $6 million to get that gold out. So this is a call to action, guys. Start buying the coins. Start trading the coins. Again, I'm not a millionaire yet with this project, but the good news is I will be, and so will you. Okay, you start buying that coin, we start mining, you're going to watch your wealth increase. There is no better product in the world for universal money than gold. Gold. That's it. And now we've taken gold and we've kryptonized it to be able to trade it around the world without borders, without the fiat conversion of money or anything. It is a gold-backed coin. That is real. I mean, look, there are other people out there doing it, so I can't be that much of a crazy man to think this is not possible. The thing is, what the world needs to know is that we got the best program, bar none, out there. Okay? There's no other program, and these companies won't even show you where their mining claims are, how much gold that they estimate to have. Nothing. Okay, we are fully 100% transparent, and you guys are 100% part of this program. All right, so that's it for the updates. Thank you for your time. God bless you. All right, bye bye.